Did you know that this majestic brown tabby male is one of the most common cat color patterns in the cat world? They are estimated to make up 20% of the total cat population. Did you know that ginger orange female cats are rarer than their male counterparts? The male to female ratio is 8:2, and ginger females are estimated to be just 4% of the total cat population. Did you also know that calico gray cats are extremely rare, likely making up less than 0.3% of the cat population, because their genes are even more diluted than the standard calico, which typically contains black, ginger, and white? How lucky am I to serve these three beautiful and unique cats? We as cat parents servants love them all, and no matter what their colors are.